have exactly 20 hours. I've been there before, but I don't remember this. Don't trust the man who knows tomorrow. What did you hide from me, Dad? How is this possible? Ishan Sen. Who is this?
You're Kabir.
How do you know my name?
Because your father brought me here 25 years
You
ago.
knew my father? You opened locker 317?
What is this? The first piece of the Tomorrow engine. They found us.
Who was my father really?
He was trying to stop it.
Who is Arna? Who is Arna? You knew that name before I did.
I knew the name, but not when she would appear. If you're seeing this, then the first warning failed.
Who is Arna?
We have to leave now.
I've never seen this.
It's lying.
Then why did he disappear? You've been hiding this from me. That location shouldn't exist anymore. We found it.
No, it found us. We're not alone. Run! Don't.
We need answers.
This wasn't built in 1976.
Arna? We're still inside the schedule. How do we stop the train?
The train cannot be stopped. Kabir, don't let the train arrive.
Why is my name there?
The passenger is you. You have 7 minutes. Don't go inside.
If I don't, we'll never know why it came.
That train isn't carrying passengers.
Then what is it carrying?
When? That's him, Dr. Adrian Vale.
My father's mentor. 1 minute. You took your time. I didn't disappear. Adian.
Someone's coming.
You? Do you know me?
No. Don't open it.
Why? The loop?
Final window, 6 minutes.
Kabir!
5 minutes.
Meera? Rajan? I didn't write this. Kabir, you finally made it. Dad? Who is this? Who is this? Meera?
Don't trust the clock. Your memories are being replaced. Kabir, don't come looking for me. This is a memory transfer facility. You did this to yourself.
Choose carefully.
You have to forget this.
What did I forget?
If he remembers, then they will find you.
Who?
The people who built tomorrow.
Will I remember you? No. Erase everything after the first door. That is the point. You came here to stop yourself. Finally. If you're standing here,
Don't open the second door.
who are you?
They're watching us.
Let him enter.
You have 10 minutes.
For what?
Before tomorrow.
You knew this would happen. The engine does not show the future. It shows decisions. What is this place? The future they were never supposed to keep. What are those?
Choices.
I'm coming, Kabir. That's impossible.
You've seen enough.
You lied to me.
From remembering!
Where your first memory was created.
Kabir, I failed to stop them.
You destroyed the world. I came too late.
How many were stored here? The engine identified one person.
Who?
I'm sorry, I saved you.
By erasing me?
That's not good. Cycle 7 has already begun.
Don't open the door.
Very clever.
No plans? Why build it? The vault is compromised. It records future decisions. My name? It's tomorrow.
Kabir, look!
This place knows me. We received the subject today. What did you do to her? Because she was here before you.
Yes,
Stay away from him.
I knew a child. I saved you from
From
it.
what?
You don't understand. You caused it.
Then remember,
Then let it fail.
Once it reaches 25... Kabir!
Because the lock at 20 the protection. You know who
Yes.
pressed it.
It was you.
I pressed it?
They want you to press it.
Who are they?
No!
What did that button do? And that's why you were always important. You gave me the choice, didn't you?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Save him from what? Beautiful story. This time, don't let anyone choose for you.
This time,
Still don't understand, Kabir. I understand enough. Don't touch that.
he's inside it. He must choose his own future.
She gave me a choice.
Yes,
Good. It's gone. Good.
you finally remembered. Not everything.
Maybe that's a good thing. Nothing?
Nothing.